Hello and welcome back. Today I will show you how we can create Mother's Day design in Canva. So let's go to the home page and click videos, and here let's choose Facebook video. Now let's go to the left side menu, 3 dots, more, videos, and here you can choose any video you want. I will search for flower growing and let's choose this one video. So let's take the video and drag it to the left side corner on the design. Now we can adjust transparency. Click on the video and transparency button is on the top menu here, and let's make it 27. Now we can add the frame. Let's go to the left side menu, elements and frames. I'm choosing this one, circle frame. And so now let's go to the videos and take the same video and drag it to the circle. Double click and adjust its size. And click done. So now we can add the circle frame. Let's go to the elements and enter golden circle frame, and here you can choose any frame. You can write circle frame and you will find free and pro frames. So I'm choosing this one and resize it, and here you go. Now we can write the text. Go to the left side menu, a heading, and I am writing happy Mother's Day. Now we can adjust our font. Let's go to the top menu and choose any font you like. We can search for calligraphy font. We can change the color and size. Let it be 130, and here the same size. And now I will change the color. Go to the colors and I'm choosing green color. Now we can go to the effects and make the shadow, and we can curve to 80 and here to -80. Now I will adjust the shadow. We can make this video shorter, and we can add any audio. So let's go to the left side menu, audio, and here you can choose any audio. So click on the audio and we can adjust it and fade in and fade out. Now we can look to our video. Other design, here you can see other video. I hope it will inspire you. And the good news, now even for 3 days until May 8th, as many as 100 people can enroll my Canva course for free. You will find the link in the description. I look forward to your comments, feedback, support, ratings on udemy.com, and click like, subscribe, and see you next time.